Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is Saturday, November 29. We're at Pricemart. We're going to look at cake. Yeah,
So,
we're trying to look some parking, but the place is very full. We gotta go upstairs to park. It's a very busy day in town. At least from yesterday, the place is very busy. You know, it's coming on to the festive season.
wow.
So we're in this traffic for about an hour and a half, trying to make our way into the supermarket.
Again, upstairs parking
But this place is very busy.
tight. Hmm? You know, cut out that. And wrong.
So we're just gonna park. We got a parking and we're gonna park.
Tell us how lucky to them, man. Movie. Sorry. Can't see, you can't. Yeah, I need a cover card here to the camera. So. Yeah, let me crash this lady here. See how close we come back to this week, right? Huh? Yep.
So we have parked. Time to wind up the windows.
Tomorrow evening. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, that's probably a few better because yeah.
One what? Oh yeah. So, yeah, man. None of work is this day, but just over here and see it on family. There are some people over here. Yeah, man.
So we are inside. One trolley?
Yeah,
So we are going to the cake section.
they call him, you know, your number, call him and find out, come on by the name.
Inside is really
Call him
full.
and find out, you know what I mean? But there's some powerful man, it's like how they ask you have a family with them, and have a, and they can take drive.
Yeah, well, a lot of clients is inside.
So, come on, see something over there.
Oh.
Weekend poetry, drink, turkey, turkey breast, ownership drums, butter, meat stain out and meats.
Yeah, everything wants to be good.
Get me down there.
Where is she? Second. Onion here, begin. Onion. Um, I don't know. I'm not sure these are onions, but these look like purple onions.
I come from abroad, you know. So until we can talk about it, we got jail.
What is said?
Oh, you're right on the plate?
Yeah, so we're at the cake section.
Yes.
It's a boy, so we're looking for a more boy color.
This.
We're gonna get it right up with his name. Yeah, this one. Yeah, oh, what is it? Yeah, fruit cake. I think I need a fruit cake. I think I'm gonna get this one.
So this one.
Vlog.
Go to the perimeter. Oh, there, Jamaica.
So I got my Christmas cake, my favorite.
Right, you know, so right now.
Sure, the different.
Yeah, man, right, different wrong, right, now, person. Yeah. Happy birthday, Andrew. Yeah, for the age, I remember what it is. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, the same, which one, the light or blue?
Light blue.
No, squirrel. It's party. Good. Andrew, A-N-D-R-E-W. R-E-W. Perfect too.
Come on.
Yeah, man.
Short line.
All the way back.
So we have about 2 persons before us. More than 2? True, about 4. About 5 persons before us. They're just cashing just 2 items. I think they should have a line where they cash like 1 and 2 items though.
Okay, last time I saw it was still in the house. I just got it, it's the experience. ATM.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. So, okay. Laughing in the chat. So guys, we're going to end the video. I hope you like it. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share. Until the next time. Until the next time.
Bye.